In order to install MechWarrior 2, we can use MechVM. MechVM is available on mechvm.org. From there, we simply download the archive. This will put it in our downloads folder. We don't want to unpack it there, we just move it somewhere else and unpack there using an unpacker like 7-zip or any other program that you use for that purpose. We then navigate into the unpacked folder. Make sure it is the unpacked folder, do not double click the archive for this purpose. Then we can install either with a CD installed using one of the install buttons or installing directly from image. This is easier. We just select the image and MechVM will analyze the image and install everything using that image. It will announce that it's ready by displaying installation complete. Then we can play the game.
This is HQ to any available units. We have mechs down at Nav Gamma. Bravo Cadet reports.
So first thing we want to do is we will want to adjust the cockpit controls to use our mouse. In order to do that, we select turret turn and configure that to use mouse left right. And turret tilt should be set to mouse up down. We want to fire group 1 using the left button, and I like to have right button mapped to target reticle. With these settings we can launch the game.
Register Simco identity.
Planet Colmar. Ambient temperature 45.60 degrees. Local time is 19:34:23 GST. All systems nominal. Self-destruct sequence initiated. Mission failed.
I also would like to show you what the other entries in this menu are for. Here we can use MechVM's own shell implementation. Unfortunately, that implementation does not yet include the animations, but the buttons still work the way they are supposed to. This allows us to play the game using Tarantula. And the mission will start normally. As we can see, we are now controlling a 4-legged mech.
45.60 degrees. Local time is 19:34:23 GST. All systems nominal. External camera